If you're heading to Makkah in 2026, you don't just need a list, you need a strategy. I've analyzed over 50 essential items, from your digital permits to the smallest safety pin, that will make or break your experience. Today, we're doing a deep dive into every single product you need to pack. Grab a pen and paper, because this is the only checklist video you'll ever need to watch. Phase 1. Documents and digital life. Before you even touch your suitcase, your digital life must be ready. 1. Nusuk app, your portal for Rauda and Umrah. Set it up 2 weeks early. 2. Passport and visa copies. Why? If you lose your physical passport, a hard copy and a digital scan in your email will save you weeks of legal trouble. 3. Vaccination cards. Keep these in a waterproof folder. 4. Emergency contact list. Written in Arabic and English. If your phone dies, you need to know how to call your hotel or group leader. 5. Passport size photos, sometimes needed for local permits or SIM cards. 6. Saudi riyals, cash. Even in 2026, small shops and street vendors near the Haram still prefer cash over cards. Phase 2. The Ihram Essentials. For the brothers, Ihram is your uniform for worship. 7. 2 sets of cotton Ihrams, one to wear, one for backup. Cotton is breathable and keeps you cool in 45 degrees Celsius heat. 8. Ihram belt. Choose a waterproof one. It holds your money, hotel key, and phone. 9. Safety pins/large clips to keep your ihram from slipping during tawaf and sa'i. 10. Prayer mat, pocket-sized. Why? Sometimes the masjid is full, and you'll have to pray on the hot marble outside. 11. Prayer beads, tasbih, to keep track of your zikr during long waits at the airport or in Mina. 12. Compass, Qibla finder, in case your phone GPS fails in a hotel room. Phase 3. Footwear and travel gear. Your feet are your vehicle in Makkah. 13. Broken-in walking sandals. New shoes cause blisters. Wear them for at least 2 weeks before you fly. 14. Lightweight sneakers, for traveling or walking in Medina when you aren't in Ihram. 15. Cotton socks, for Medina, where the marble can sometimes feel surprisingly cold at night. 16. Drawstring shoe bag. Never leave your shoes at the entrance. Carry them with you so you don't lose them in a sea of 10,000 other shoes. 17. Suitcase locks. TSA-approved locks for security during flights and bus transfers. 18. Luggage tags. Brightly colored ones so you can spot your bag instantly among thousands at the airport. Phase 4. Hygiene and personal care. The unscented rule. In Ihram, you cannot use perfume. This section is critical. 19. Unscented soap/body wash, to stay clean without breaking your Ihram rules. 20. Unscented shampoo. Scalp hygiene is vital after shaving. Halq. 21. Unscented deodorant, to stay fresh in the heat. 22. Unscented sunscreen. Protects your skin from the intense Makkah sun. 23. Unscented Vaseline. Apply this between your thighs before walking to prevent chafing or skin peeling. 24. Toothbrush and miswak, for sunnah and oral hygiene. 25. Fragrance-free wet wipes, for a quick cleanup when water isn't easily available. 26. Nail clippers and small scissors, to be used after you finish your Umrah to cut your hair. 27. Disposable razors, for the brothers to shave their heads. Halq. 28. Hand sanitizer, alcohol-free, to stay germ-free in huge crowds. Phase 5. The Pilgrim Pharmacy. Health is wealth during Hajj. 29. Painkillers, paracetamol/ibuprofen, for headaches and body aches after long walks. 30. ORS, rehydration salts. Drink 1 sachet daily to prevent dehydration. 31. Throat lozenges to fight the haram cough. 32. Cough syrup, essential for nighttime relief. 33. Diarrhea medicine, in case your stomach reacts to local food. 34. Band-aids and blister plasters. Apply these the moment you feel a hot spot on your foot. 35. Muscle rub/cream for sore legs after a 2 a.m. Umrah. 36. Vitamins, vitamin C/multivitamins, to keep your immune system strong against the Hajj flu. 37. Face masks, to protect against dust and viruses in crowded areas. Phase 6. Electronics and gadgets. Keep your permits and communication alive. 38. 20,000 milliampere hours. Power bank, you'll be out of the hotel for 10 to 12 hours. Your phone will die without this. 39. Universal travel adapter. Saudi outlets are Type G, UK style. Make sure yours fits. 40. Multi-USB charging hub. Charge your phone, watch, and power bank all at once from one outlet. 41. Extra long charging cable. Hotel outlets are often far from the bed. 42. Saudi SIM card. Get one at the airport, STC/Mobili, for constant data. 43. Phone waterproof pouch, to protect your phone from sweat or water during wudu. Phase 7. Small but mighty essentials. These are the items people always forget. 44. Reusable water bottle. Refill it with Zamzam and save money. 45. Small umbrella, to block the sun, not the rain. 46. Sunglasses, to protect your eyes from the white marble glare in the mataf. 47. Tote bag/small backpack, to carry your water, prayer mat, and electronics during the day. 48. Small notebook and pen, to write down your dua list so you don't forget anyone while at the Kaaba. 49. Safety pins and sewing kit, for quick fixes to your clothes or ihram. 50. Plastic bags for laundry, to keep your dirty clothes separate from the clean ones. 51. Small flashlight, useful if you are staying in Mina or Muzdalifah during Hajj. That's it! Over 50 items to ensure your 2026 journey is as smooth as possible. Don't feel overwhelmed. Pack slowly and use this video as your guide. I've put a link to the full list in the description. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments. May Allah accept your journey.